How to know who stalks you on Instagram? It's an easy process, so let's start. So first of all, open your Instagram app, and then when you come to the profile, you can see who stalks you on um, Instagram. So if you want to see those people, so just you can see there are lots of options. So just tap to the your story options, and then click to the your add to your story, and then just tap any story, and then click to the your story options. After that, when someone come to your profile, and then they will definitely try to check out your profile picture, and then accidentally they will click to your stories options, and then you can just check it out how build your Instagram stories. So that's the process. I can that's only the process how you know how stalks you on Instagram. So hope this helps you. If this helps you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel for more informative videos.